In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make 200 flame particles in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. Start by opening Minecraft Java Edition. You can either create a new world or load an existing one. Before you continue, make sure cheats are enabled in that world, because the particle command will not work without them. Once your world has finished loading, move your character to the spot where you want the particle effect to appear. The command in this tutorial will spawn the flame particles around your current position, so it helps to stand exactly where you want the effect to be centered. Next, press the T key on your keyboard to open the in-game chat. This is where you will enter the particle command. In the chat box, type the following command exactly as shown: /particle Minecraft flame ~1~1~11110 force. Written normally, that command is /particle, then Minecraft flame, followed by ~1~, then 111, then 0, then 200, and finally force. This command tells Minecraft to generate flame particles at your current location. The tilde symbols make the command use your position as the starting point. The ~1 in the middle places the effect slightly above you, so the flames are easier to see. The 3 ones after that set the spread area, which means the particles will appear in a small space around that point. The 0 controls the speed value, and the 200 sets the total number of particles. The word force makes the particles render from farther away, which can help make the effect more visible. After you have typed the command, press enter. As soon as you do, 200 flame particles will appear around your character. If the command was entered correctly, you should see a dense flame effect instantly. If you want to customize the look, you can change a few parts of the command. Increasing the spread values will make the particles appear over a larger area. Changing the speed value can affect how the particles behave visually. Raising or lowering the count number will make the effect denser or lighter, depending on the result you want. This is a simple way to create a strong flame particle effect for builds, events, or visual demonstrations in your Minecraft world. And that is all there is to it.